A seismic shift in Silicon Valley Apple's go-it-alone strategy. Apple, the Cupertino-based tech behemoth, has always been known for its relentless pursuit of control and innovation. From its sleek hardware to its intuitive software, the company has maintained an iron grip over every aspect of the user experience. Now, in a move that has sent ripples through the tech world, Apple is taking this philosophy to a whole new level, aiming to replace Qualcomm, a major supplier of modem chips for iPhones, with its own in-house design modem. This audacious decision marks a significant departure from Apple's previous reliance on external suppliers for critical components. Qualcomm, a San Diego-based semiconductor and telecommunications equipment company, has long been a key player in the mobile industry, supplying modem chips to numerous smartphone manufacturers worldwide. These chips, responsible for connecting devices to cellular networks, are the unsung heroes of our always-connected world, enabling us to browse the web, stream videos, and stay in touch with loved ones. Apple's move to develop its own modem chip signals a major power shift in the industry, with the potential to reshape the competitive landscape. By bringing modem design in-house, Apple is seeking to gain greater control over its supply chain, reduce its dependence on external vendors, and potentially unlock new levels of performance and efficiency. This strategic move has far-reaching implications, not just for Apple and Qualcomm, but for the entire mobile ecosystem. The decision to go it alone on modem chips is a bold gamble, even for a company with Apple's resources and track record. It comes with inherent risks and challenges, including the need to invest heavily in research and development, attract top engineering talent, and navigate the complex world of wireless technology. However, the potential rewards are equally significant, offering Apple the opportunity to further differentiate its products, optimize its supply chain, and potentially gain a competitive edge in the rapidly evolving mobile market. Apple's relationship with Qualcomm has been marked by both collaboration and contention. For years, Qualcomm has been a crucial supplier of modem chips for iPhones, playing a vital role in connecting Apple's iconic devices to cellular networks. This partnership, while mutually beneficial, has also been characterized by periods of tension and legal battles. In 2017, Apple filed a lawsuit against Qualcomm, alleging that the chipmaker had abused its market dominance to charge exorbitant royalties for its technology. The lawsuit sparked a bitter legal battle between the two companies, with billions of dollars at stake. Apple claimed that Qualcomm's licensing practices were unfair and anti-competitive, while Qualcomm countered that Apple was simply trying to avoid paying fair market value for its intellectual property. The legal dispute dragged on for years, casting a shadow over the relationship between the two tech giants. In 2019, the companies reached a settlement agreement, ending their legal battles and paving the way for a renewed partnership. However, the truce proved to be short-lived. Despite the settlement, tensions between Apple and Qualcomm persisted. Apple continued to explore alternatives to Qualcomm's modem chips, signaling its desire to reduce its reliance on the chipmaker. This exploration eventually led Apple down the path of developing its own in-house modem, a move that could ultimately sever its ties with Qualcomm altogether. Apple's decision to develop its own modem chip is driven by a confluence of factors, all pointing toward the company's relentless pursuit of control, innovation, and differentiation. By bringing modem design in-house, Apple seeks to seize the reins of a critical component in its devices, unlocking a myriad of potential benefits. First and foremost, developing its own modem would grant Apple greater control over its supply chain, a crucial aspect of the company's operations. By reducing its dependence on external suppliers like Qualcomm, Apple can mitigate the risks associated with supply chain disruptions, price fluctuations, and potential geopolitical uncertainties. This control becomes even more critical in an era of global chip shortages and increasing geopolitical tensions. Furthermore, an in-house modem would allow Apple to better integrate the chip's design with other hardware and software components of its devices, potentially leading to improved performance, efficiency, and user experience. By tailoring the modem's capabilities to its specific needs, Apple could optimize its devices for factors such as battery life, network connectivity, and data speeds. This level of optimization is challenging to achieve when relying on off-the-shelf components from external vendors. Moreover, developing its own modem would empower Apple to innovate at a faster pace, free from the constraints of external suppliers. By controlling the entire design and development process, Apple can experiment with new technologies, push the boundaries of wireless performance, and potentially introduce groundbreaking features that set its devices apart from the competition. This ability to innovate independently is crucial in the fast-paced world of consumer electronics, where staying ahead of the curve is paramount. Section 4. A chip off the old block. Apple's history of vertical integration. Apple's pursuit of a custom modem is not an isolated incident but rather a continuation of the company's long-standing strategy of vertical integration. This approach, deeply ingrained in Apple's DNA, involves controlling as many aspects of its products and services as possible, from design and manufacturing to software and distribution. One of the earliest and most prominent examples of Apple's vertical integration is its creation of the Apple Store retail chain. In the early 2000s, when personal computers were primarily sold through third-party retailers, Apple's then CEO, Steve Jobs, envisioned a different approach. He believed that Apple could provide a superior customer experience by controlling the entire retail environment, from the store's design and layout to the training and knowledge of its employees. The Apple Store, once considered a risky gamble, has become a resounding success, transforming the way consumer electronics are sold. The store's sleek design, knowledgeable staff, and focus on customer service have created a loyal following, contributing significantly to Apple's brand image and bottom line. Another key area where Apple has pursued vertical integration is in chip design. In 2008, Apple acquired PA Semi, a small chip design company, marking its entry into the world of custom silicon. This acquisition laid the foundation for Apple's A-series chips, which power its iPhones and iPads, delivering industry-leading performance and energy efficiency. Apple's A-series chips have been instrumental in the company's success, allowing it to control the performance and features of its devices while differentiating them from competitors. The chip's power and efficiency have enabled Apple to create thinner, lighter, and more powerful devices, setting the bar for the industry.